Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Alexa with Philips Hue step by step clearly. To authorize Amazon Alexa with Philips Hue, begin by ensuring that your Philips Hue lights are set up and functioning properly. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. From the main menu, tap on the devices icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices section, look for the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Device from the list of options. Next, choose Light as the type of device you want to add. Scroll down and find Philips Hue from the list of brands. Tap on Philips Hue, then select Enable to Use. You will be directed to sign in to your Philips Hue account. Enter your login credentials. Once logged in, the app will ask for permission to access your Philips Hue lights. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Alexa to control your Philips Hue lights. After authorization, the app will search for your Hue lights and connect them to Alexa. Once the connection is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You can now use voice commands to control your Philips Hue lights through Amazon Alexa. To test the setup, say Alexa, turn on the lights, to ensure everything is working correctly. Feel free to customize and group your lights in the Alexa app for more convenience. Now you are all set to enjoy smart lighting with Amazon Alexa and Philips Hue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.